Welcome to Section 2 of our course, Software Setup and Your First Python Script. This is where we transition from theory to practice, so get ready to set up your coding environment. The main goal of this section is twofold. First, to install the Python interpreter itself, and second, to install a powerful text editor where we will write our code. The tool I will instruct is Visual Studio Code, or VS Code. It is a popular, free, and lightweight code editor. VS Code is cross-platform, meaning it works on Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. This ensures that no matter what operating system you are running, you will have a consistent environment for learning. Because installation steps vary slightly depending on your operating system, maybe I will provide separate lectures for some platforms. Immediately following this introduction, we will begin with 2.2. Option 1. Environment Setup for Mac OS. This will cover installing Python and setting up VS Code on Mac OS. If you are on Windows or Linux, and I have the related videos, you can skip the Mac OS video and jump to the one that matches your machine, Windows 10 or Ubuntu Linux. Once your environment is set up, we will move quickly to writing our very first Python program, and then cover two essential fundamentals, comments and Python indentation. So, identify your operating system and get ready. The next lecture will be specific to macOS Monterey version 12.7.6. Are you excited to set up and code? See you in the next lecture that matches your machine.